tendency, GDL tends to relax ngayon dahil porket walang panalo, di ba?
Oh, yun na!
Good shot!
Alan Ramos for three!
Isa na yan. That's why we call him Mr. Microwave.
The
ni Sir
microwave.
Ryan.
The microwave.
Kasi once na makashoot yan, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Kiko kasi, talented. Wherever he goes, yan, let's simula.
Natin yun, no? Lakas stress of the corner natin sa inyo, Sun Sport. The official basketball.
Totoo. Tulad yan sinasabi mo lagi, Coach, one and done na offense yung nangyayari. Yan na!
Alan Ramos.
Bang! Mr. Microwave! Matik yan. Huwag niyo bigyan ng open space yan.
I think it's in the shoes. It's in the shoes. Para kay Alan Ramos. Let's take a look at that last shot. Last shot of the quarter din natin sa inyo na Star Mob Sports Gear. At yung shooting na yan, ha? Niyala lang siya ng calling card talaga niya. I think it's in the shoes.
Actually, na-share niya nga, Coach, na
Finally, kumana na here in third. Pero Alan Ramos also making his own. Ito, Necesito moves in. Necesito looking for teammate.
Ganda.
Alan Ramos, the three. Bombs away for Alan Ramos.
yeah, good read. Kita niya, nag-sync lang siya doon sa wing kasi nakita niya medyo, alanganin na yung pwesto ni Coach Jan Necesito doon. So, tendency niyan, kikikaw talaga sa kanya yan.
9 points for Alan Ramos here. Dito with another rebound.
Isa pa.
Alan Ramos, the pass. Orna. Ferdy Orna with the score.
The decision making. Ito yung mga big men.
Eto, Alan Ramos, the three.
Bang! Mr. Microwave.
The microwave. Tingnan natin ulit yung 3-point shooting niya. Naka-stress of the quarter. Atin sa inyo ng Sun Sport, the official basketball of Sinag Liga Asia. Some players who played well, Jufel Fernandez, Aldeguer, Necesito, and itong si Orna. Pero napili natin yung nag-init dito sa ating second half. Walang iba kundi si Alan Ramos, scoring 12 points, 3 rebounds.
Tendency, nagkakapikunan, yung frustration nag-build up. Kaya it was a sorry loss for San Pedro pero they still did a good job.
Lots of players who played well, Jufel Fernandez, Aldeguer, Necesito, and itong si Orna. Pero napili natin yung nag-init dito sa ating second half. Walang iba kundi si Alan Ramos, scoring 12 points, 3 rebounds on 4 of 7 3-point shooting. Una sa lahat, Boss Alan, congratulations for this win. And what did you do dito sa, kung ano yung pag-usapan ninyo nila Coach Bennett heading into this most important ball game, kasi lalo na nasa gitna kayo ng team standings?
Ayun lang, bali sabi ni Coach Bennett, kunin ko lang yung pwesto ko. Anin ko yung pwesto ko para makatira ako ng maayos. Kasi set up daw niya ako. Ganun po.
Wow, grabe yung set up, and you got 4 3-pointers, Coach Ernest.
Ayun, congratulations, Kuya Alan. Very well deserved. Last game, na-frustrate ka kasi you had 0 points. Hindi naging productive yung game mo. So, anong naging preparation mo coming towards this game?
Yun lang, pray lang, tiwala sa tira. Hindi naman palaging wena, syempre, nasa practice din yan. Saka hindi ko pagamay yung sapatos.
Sabi ko sinasabi ko
Saka Kobe.
Sabi ko na nga ba, it's in the shoes.
Wala pang break-in.
Hindi, ganito lang yan, Kuya Alan. Pag ganun, bigay mo na.
10.5.
Uy, sakto, 10.5.
Uy, sakto. Nako.
Sakto yan, sakto yan po, Boss Alan.
Sa Christmas.
Ayun! Pero at least, Kuya Alan, you did a good job. You get your 4th win. And most especially, may isa pa kayong laro here in the elimination round. Alam natin marami ang sumusuporta sa'yo at syempre sa buong entire GDL Lancaster. Go ahead, batiin mo na sila, Kuya Alan.
Salamat. Sa boss namin, kay Boss Jerry De Luna, salamat po kay Boss Mervin Cortez, sa coaches ko, kay Ben Palad, sa supporting cast po na, sa mga players, sa mga fans po, sa mga family ko, sa anak ko, sa kuya ko sa Australia, sa kapatid ko kay Ricky, sa pamangkin ko kay Ervin, tapos kay Engineer Gary Paul Pascual, tapos happy birthday kay Boss Edwin Advance. Tapos kay boss, FTF. Sa God bless po. Thank you po. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Our lakas player of the game, Alan Ramos, who scored 12 points on 4 of 7 3-point shooting. And Direct Nomar Santiago for Direct Mike Danan and for Direct Bip.